Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5. First, make sure your watch has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions during the setup process. Next, download the Samsung Wearable app from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, as this is essential for the watch and phone to communicate wirelessly. Once Bluetooth is active, open the Samsung Wearable app on your phone. You'll see an option to start new device. Tap this and select your Galaxy Watch 5 from the list of available devices. A unique pairing code will then appear on both your phone and your watch. Carefully verify that these 6-digit codes match exactly before proceeding to the next step. After confirming the pairing code, you'll be prompted to accept various terms and conditions. Read through them and agree to continue. Next, sign in with your Samsung account. This step is crucial for accessing features like Samsung Pay, health tracking, and app downloads. Finally, grant the necessary permissions so your watch can seamlessly integrate with your phone's functions, such as notifications and calls. With your Galaxy Watch 5 now connected, take some time to explore the Samsung Wearable app. Here, you can customize watch faces, manage notifications, and install new applications. It's also a good practice to check for and install any available software updates for your watch to ensure optimal performance and access to the newest features. Enjoy your new connected experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.